everyone, today is Saturday.
Yes, and we're back to have an unboxing today. This is Edgar and
Elijah.
okay, everyone. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. We're about to unbox. What is this?
Tomica.
Tomica what? A dump
Tomica
truck.
dump truck.
And of course, we'll also try to unbox night burner. Actually, 5-pack. Okay, as you can see.
Also is for correction.
Let's start for the Tomica. We bought it the other day po, mga kaibigan. My Eli loves this one.
Media.
So,
From Media.
how come? From Gramedia. That's a bookstore, like a national bookstore. So, we're trying to unbox this. Dapat i-jeep lang bibilhin namin. Pero nakita to na yung anak ko. And, I think we both like this. Eli, can you open this one?
Yep.
Can you help me? No, how do you unbox this one? I'm trying to get up the plastic. It's number 101.
Use the blade.
Yes, I'm using the blade already. How about the other one? Okay. Be careful when unboxing this. It's like a cigarette pack. Okay, this is Isuzu 101. I think the scale is 1:55. And it's worth how much it is? Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's
That's
59,900. Wow. That's roughly in Philippine peso. This is, I think,
wow.
almost 200 pesos.
Wow. That was a big one.
Okay. Tanggalan na po ang pakete. I think kung 200 pesos to sa Philippines, just don't know how much it's here. No, it's only about 200 pesos. Magkano kaya ang Tomica? Okay, we're unboxing it. We got off the plastic. Eli, we're opening the side.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to be careful because box, if we will sell this in the future, pag malaki ka na, they need the box. Okay, we're opening it. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Charan! Oh, Eli, it's like in the picture, it's a gold one. And let's put it from the plastic. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wow! Look at this. It's a beauty. It's a dump truck, a 6-liter. As you can see, kaibigan, very nice. And actually, since it's dump truck, wow, ganun po yan, ha. Ano pa pala ang likod? You can open the back. And there's a door. I think my kids will love this. It is solid metal to metal from chassis to the back dump portion. So it's an I think an this is a regular. But to have this, it's like a vintage matchbox. Okay. The only thing is there's a regular wheel. Can we find this? Okay. I'm sure this is at least Japan. Okay. Isuzu. Made in Vietnam. Okay. And look, yes, very nice. Very nice. And I think this will last at least 50 years. Anak, gagamitin mo to, ikaw lang magbibityo in the future. Okay, very nice. All metal. Metal. Okay, that's one for today. The Isuzu Giga dump truck. Okay. Now let's try the night burner. Dun, 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 dun. This is my second trip in the mall. Again, sa likod po natin lalagyan ng butas. Eli, can you play this one? Do you like that one?
Yeah.
The Tomica. Ito po natin i-slice tulad ng huli namin video. Para nadi-display pa rin natin sa box niya.
What?
Right. Sorry po, last time hanggang napuputol, hindi ko napapansin talaga ang memory. So, wala pa sa atin hindi na ang hirap naman mag-retake dahil limited lang po ang resources at ang mga oras. Kasama sa resources yung oras. Okay, well, I was able to cut the backlight. I think mapurol na tong aking blade. Ayan, may tamang sama ng tama sa kanto. Parang kinain ng daga. Anyway, I think it's still okay. Ayan po. Pinubuksan natin. Night burners include delicious. What is this? Chrysler, Nissan Skyline, Volkswagen Beetle Cup, and Pony Up. Okay, this is my... Let's see what's inside this beautiful box. I mentioned already, pero gaano kaganda ito pag nabuksan. Okay, dyan, 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 dyan. Dyan, 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 dyan. Let's see, but the one on top is a Volkswagen. Wow, nice one. Gray po ang chassis. Volkswagen new Beetle Cup. Okay, that's the new Beetle Cup. I'll use this. Okay, very nice. Among the night burners, this is the best I like. Of course, most people would mention the Skyline as one of their favorites. Okay, let's see. I think this one, the yellow one, is the Skyline. Am I right? Yes, I think this is the Skyline. Yes. Or am I wrong? These are made in Thailand. A yellow Nissan Skyline. I'm seeing the post for a lot of members for Nissan Skyline. I think they have good reason why they should like this, why we should like this. Ang bagsik, very modern, very millennial, ang lowered, with matching spoiler at the back. Okay, that's Nissan. Okay, we got two already. Okay, so what's next? Oh, we got cat again. A while ago, huli pong kotse was Chrysler.
We're almost
Okay.
done with it.
Done with the Chrysler. Of course, the Nissan, the beautiful one. And we also had this
Tomica.
Beetle. The
You
Beetle is
already
a new
You already
Beetle Cup,
unboxed it.
black one. And there are two
And there's
original. It's non-licensed. I think they call it Audacious.
It's a cold.
Looks like some
It's
kind of
English.
Toyota Calya or
Or this.
some kind of look like a
Or the
Ford.
Tomica.
It's not an Audi, but it's Audacious. Okay. Am I correct? Is it Audacious? Let me see, Eli, how does. It's Audacious.
And what's
Okay, it's
it?
an original from Hot
And
Wheels.
what's in
And the
what's
other one,
the surprise egg?
this one is a
A Suzuki dump truck.
yeah. And the last one from that 5 packs is the Pony. Oh, Pony. Pony Up. Oh, this one? No, it's not a pony app. Why do I have a cup? Oh, this one.
Why the book?
Okay. Those are the car, guys.
How
Ngayon
about
Sabado hanggang sa susunod. Roll call, pony,
or this?
Skyline. Ito isa, Chrysler,
Or this?
the Volkswagen,
Or the...
and Audacious.
And we go to west.
And we got the other one is Isuzu
We go to
Tomica,
west.
number 101. Okay, that's all for today. Say bye-bye. This is Eli and this is Edgar and
Aeon.
Elijah Ayon. Okay.
Aeon.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Good. Done.